Hey guys, please make sure you stand till the end. People make one common mistake that will destroy the engine. You will end up rebuilding or replacing it, which can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 generation F25 F26. If you guys want to see how to how to replace intercooler guys, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. There is trick in doing that. It's very easy if you know what you're doing. It will take you only a few minutes guys. So make sure to stand till the end. We'll cover that in this video today. If you need to buy replacement parts guys, tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us guys tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you guys how to fix multiple things. We fix engines, we fix guys transmissions, we fix bodywork. We show you how to fix engine codes, fuses, relays. We take them completely apart. We make at least 200 videos on every car. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing that information. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We guys have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools, to fix your cars, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Let's start on it now. So guys, now in order, first we need to drain the coolant, right? In order to do that, we need to go ahead on that BMW X4, X3 will be exactly the same way. We need to remove the engine undercover underneath guys. All that will need to be removed so we can drain the coolant. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that and we'll continue with the next step. So first let's explain guys. Here we're going to get a few tools and we'll start removing the engine undercover. So we're starting with 8mm socket guys, okay, and we will need to start removing things now, okay. A few screws here and there, you will see towards the back, that's towards the transmission side on that X4, X3 will be the same way. Other BMWs will be very close procedure as well guys. So okay, let's see this one now. Okay, our machine is having a little bit tough time, but sometimes when we hit it in the ground it starts working. So let's see if that will be the case again. Let's tap it one more time in the ground and see if it's going to take care of it or we need to replace the battery. Okay, all we had to do is just tap it one more time. Battery is still good, so let's go ahead. Okay, and remove that one there. Okay, and this one. Okay, we see we're there. Perfect. Okay, it came out just like this one. Next we need to remove one on the other side, the same thing. So we're removing that one now there. Okay, wear eye protection guys, because here you will have sand, dirt in that cover quite a bit, okay. You will have some in the middle, I can see right there. Try to hold them, okay, straight, not to strip them. So here, we're on this one. And we have a few in the front guys, okay, towards the bumper here that we need to remove. So let's go ahead and do that now. And, okay, let's see if we have more here, one more in that corner. Okay, and now let's see if we can slide it back. Okay, we're gonna have one more. That looks like it's a 10. Okay, perfect. And one more nut like this on the other side. And it's going to drop, so kind of like hold it with your hand. Be prepared for things to leak out sometimes. dirt, dust, oil. It's a BMW. Kind of like they always drip a little bit. So we're ready here. So that's the outlet hose, that spring. We're going to pull it out. Okay, and once you guys pull it out to a certain position, it should stay there. When that happens, we should be able, okay, to pull that hose out, which is, by the way, a very limited space. Okay, it came loose. You can see that hose is loose. Now let's do the same thing to this side. Okay, I want to show you this one. It's the one right there. Okay, that's the one. So we need to do exactly the same thing, guys. Okay, you can see we're going to pull it until it's stuck in place. One side, then the other side, kind of like thing, until it's stuck there. Okay, and it doesn't go anywhere. Perfect. You can see the spring is loose. Let me see. I pushed it back in. I'll get it out, and I just need to push the hose up. So guys, we're going to get a torque sturdy, and we're going to attempt to remove the 2 screws now. Let's see that. One. Okay, let's see the second one now. Okay, now we have 2 on this side that we need to do. So let me do them quick. On this side you can see this one. So let's hold it just in case. I don't want it to drop and break something. Okay, that one is on my shoulder. Let me see if I can reach that one, or I have to. Okay, this one came out too. Okay, let's see now. Okay, go to the back, slide to the back a little bit. You see? Okay, to the back, right there. We have one thing holding. Let me show you. Okay, on this side, okay, right here. Okay, right there, you need to lift up, slide back. Okay, and it came loose. Now, let me see. We have the hoses pre-loosened. Okay, 1 second. Here, the rubber seal on the bottom. We don't want to crack it. We don't want to break things. So let's see if it's going to come off. And it did, guys. You can see, just like this one. So you can see, guys, the intercooler came out just like this one. There is tricks to working on these BMWs. You don't have to take the whole car apart to do things. You can see how easy practically that thing was. 2 hoses, 4 screws, and under the engine cover, and that came out just like that, guys. So that's how we do it on BMW X3 X4 for any of you needing help with that. So that's how you guys remove the intercooler. It's not very complicated. You can see there is a trick, 4 bolts, you slide it, and it's done, guys. Now, always inspect to make sure you don't have engine oil in it. If you do, that could be a bad sign that the turbo is about to fail. Turbo is leaking oil in the intercooler, so a little bit of oily fume, it's normal, but if you drain oil out of it, that's not normal, guys. If you have any questions, you want to see anything else specifically on BMW X3 X4, do not hesitate to let us know, guys. Okay, we'll make as many videos as we can, so drop a comment below, and when we have time, we'll try to make a video for your specific problem if we have the chance to. Thank you for watching, see you next time.